What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you all about how to live stream from your laptop, from your computer, wherever there's a desktop thingy. You're gonna be able to live stream using this. Okay, so obviously we are here inside of Le MacBook, and so y'all gonna be mad at me for this. It's so easy to do live streaming straight from your computer, right? So I am in YouTube, as you can already see, and I am going to come over here. You see the little camera? You see the little camera over there? Yeah, we gonna click that. Oh, look, go live. Boom. Let's see what happens when I click it. So as you guys can see here, you can kind of see me in the background. I probably look a little janky, but it has a live stream info. So I would create a title. You can choose if you want the live stream to already be public. And then you can also have it unlisted, which I would actually recommend to do. Actually, I'm taking that back. I wouldn't recommend it because what you're going to want to do after you do your live stream is take all of your metadata, like your tags and stuff. You definitely want to make sure that you import those in after you do your live stream. Then we have more options. And these are definitely just some advanced settings. Definitely, you know, if you have like a webcam, which I would totally recommend, at least if you have a MacBook as old as mine, which is actually fucking ancient. But if you want to use like a better quality webcam, you would obviously connect to that here. The same thing with a microphone. So I'm using the built-in input. I have my Apple headphones on, but usually I do use the external mic, and then they have more advanced settings here. So do you want to allow people to interact and engage with you? If so, then you can allow the chat, enable age restrictions. So do people need to be over the age of 18 to view your content? If so, you need to click this. And then if the video contains paid promotions, such as a paid product placement, sponsorships, or endorsements, you need to put that here too, so that you don't get in trouble from YouTube. And once you have your settings already set and ready to go, you add your description and blase blase. You just hit next and you are live. And it's very simple to do. This is how I recommend doing it. Clearly it's free. You don't have to mess with a whole bunch of tech like OBS, which I tried that some years ago. It's like I do not have the bandwidth nor the time nor the patience to deal with this. And obviously it's cheaper than using Zoom, which wants you to pay like $54.99 a month. I mean, it's great if you want to do screen sharing, but I wouldn't even recommend that because, again, what ends up happening is you end up doing webinars on YouTube. People aren't on YouTube to watch your webinar. Let's be honest. People want a quick solution to their problem, and your webinar is not doing it for them. So I wouldn't even recommend going the route of like, oh, can I do slides? And I mean, if you're going to make it quick, if we can get it in like 10 minutes or less, then like good. But again, I just don't recommend using Zoom in order to do webinar style content on YouTube because people are not sticking around for 30, 45 minutes to watch your slideshow. Sorry, not sorry. Anyways, guys, I hope that this was helpful. I should have mentioned this at the beginning. At the time of this particular video, you can actually only do this on Google Chrome. We had clients that they couldn't figure it out. Come to find out they were using Safari. So this functionality at this present moment, do not come to me a year. If this video is a year old, do not come to Quiana saying, oh, you can go live here, here, and here. At the present time of this video, you can only do this on Google Chrome. So if this was helpful, comment helpful below. And if you have anything that you need help with, like let a sister know in the comments. I'm here for you. I'm here to help you. I'm here to see you succeed. So anyways, thanks again for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.